Welcome everybody, back with another video investing with Forbes. How's everybody doing on this nice day? So we're going to talk about my portfolio. Ticker symbol TSYY, trading at $8.45. This is actually a weekly payer. I bought in kind of high, $9.56, but I'm going to continue the dollar cost average down. I really don't have many shares. I have a little bit over 2 shares, and you can see the total return is under 11%. I had a dividend payout on August the 5th, which is coming up here pretty soon. It's actually 52 cents. And then let's look at the dividend. It's actually a 30 dividend yield of 0.8%. And actually, let's see what they're paying out. It's probably fluctuate because this is a new fund I just added to my portfolio. And they amount per share, they've actually paying around 23 cents. Similar close to kind of ULTY, a little bit higher, because their stock is actually a little higher, but its price is down. So maybe I can scoop up some shares at this price here. I will be buying again here this week to see how many I can get. You know, try to see how I just putting that $100 in and go from there. Let's actually take a tick at my portfolio. Ticker symbol ULTY, Yieldmax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF, and that's actually trading around $6.14. It's actually down. My average cost is fluctuating up and down. You know, it was $6.11, now it's $6.16. I have now 128 shares. My total return, you see, is now 0.4%. It's over 42% for my portfolio diversity. And then I have a market value of $788.88. Actually, kind of, you know, everybody's crying about it went down, you know, but I'm not worried. This one, you just continue to buy, just keep dollar cost averaging, and I don't really, you know, sometimes if stuff is real red, I just don't even look at my portfolio. I just close the app and then come back a few days later. There's no point in looking at stuff if you're trying to build wealth. Just continue to buy dollar cost average, and this is a long-term growth here. I'm not day trading or doing short-term trades, so I'm more into like long-term growth. You might catch me doing some options here and there, but more, you know, I'm over 40, so I like to do long-term holds, like high dividend yields, because I'm trying to retire early. And just looking at a good long-term portfolio for growth. You know, I like crypto too, so that's why I try to see it. I get into certain investments like Bitcoin and so on. So let's take a look at the one of my ETFs that I really want to build out, and I only have a half a share of this one here. Let's take a symbol YETH. Was trading around $26.99. This is a Roundhill Ether cover call strategy ETF, and he's at a market value of $14.07. Total return, you see I'm up over 10%, but like I said, I only have half a share, and I'm really interested in buying more for this ETF for long-term growth. I think this would be a great addition to my portfolio and for long term. And you see I had a dividend payout, and it was for a total of 15 cents, but actually what they pay amount per share is 29 cents. So that's really not too bad. And looking at the price here, it's up. Actually now it's $26, and you see I got an average cost of $24. So it's actually holding pretty steady. You know, that's probably due to because Ethereum is going up. And you can see that it seeks to provide current income and cap gains for ETF holdings, Ether futures, through a synthetic cover call strategy. So, I mean, I like this play. You know, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing to build up my long-term growth portfolio. And I'm just having fun with investing. This is what I enjoy doing. I'm like stocks, ETFs, crypto, and you name it. I'm into investing. That's my thing I like to do. So, comment down below. Let me know how everything's going with your portfolio. It seems like everything's back on the rise again. We start seeing some green days. You know, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and concerns. And please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.